Two rivers meet, but they don't blend. It sounds like the start of a riddle, right? But it's not. It's real. And it's happening right now in the heart of the Amazon. Imagine pouring coffee into a cup of milk, and instead of swirling together, they just sit there, separate, side by side, looking at each other like strangers on a bus. Welcome to the bizarre natural phenomenon known as the meeting of waters. Now, before you start thinking, yeah, two rivers meet, big deal, hold on, because this isn't your regular river mashup. This is nature flexing its creative muscles in the most dramatic way possible. You've got the Guainia River, dark as black coffee, smooth and slow, meeting up with the sandy-colored Amazon River, which rushes in like it's late for a meeting. But guess what? They do not mix. For nearly 4 miles, these two rivers flow side by side like they're in some kind of awkward relationship. Okay, pause. Why don't they mix? I know that's the question spinning in your head right now, and here's the wild part. It's not magic, it's science. See, the Guainia River and the Amazon River have completely different personalities. One's a chill, laid-back introvert, Guainia, with warm, acidic water. The other, a fast-paced extrovert, the Amazon, that's colder, denser, and loaded with sediment. It's like trying to mix oil and water, it's just not gonna happen. They literally move at different speeds, have different temperatures, and their densities don't align. Nature's version of opposites attract, except in this case, they definitely don't. And here's something that's gonna blow your mind. This isn't some small line in the water. Nope. From a bird's eye view, it looks like someone sliced the river in half with a giant knife. One side, dark chocolate brown. The other side, sandy caramel. The split is so sharp you'd think it was edited with Photoshop. But this isn't CGI, it's 100% real. And if you ever fly over it, it's like looking at a real-life glitch in nature's matrix. But wait, doesn't all water eventually mix, you ask? Great question, Sherlock. Eventually, yes, the waters do blend. But not before giving us one of the most dramatic natural displays on the planet. It's not just pretty to look at either. It's a goldmine for researchers and scientists trying to understand how water systems work. It's like nature left them a little puzzle, and they're still piecing it together. And since we're here, let me hit you with a plot twist. This whole meeting of waters thing isn't just about colors. It's also a battleground for biodiversity. Different fish live on different sides of the river because of the temperature, acidity, and oxygen levels. So while you're staring at the pretty color split, entire underwater neighborhoods are busy living their lives like it's two different countries on either side. Some fish prefer the chill, cozy vibes of the Guainia River, while others are out here riding the rapids of the Amazon. Talk about picky neighbors. But hold on, here's a fun fact that'll make you sound like the smartest person at your next family gathering. The name Guainia means land of many waters in an indigenous language, but the water isn't actually black. It's just super dark because it's full of organic materials like decaying plants and leaves. Think of it like brewing a super strong cup of tea. The water isn't actually black. It's just really, really concentrated. And this tea has been steeping for centuries. Meanwhile, the Amazon River is out here carrying more fresh water than any